Does GoDaddy cost money? Yes, GoDaddy is a paid service, and most of its offerings come with a cost. Here's a breakdown of the services GoDaddy provides and their associated fees. 1. Domain registration. Cost. GoDaddy charges a fee for registering domain names. Prices. Domain prices vary depending on the domain extension .com, .net, .org, and its popularity. Common domain extensions typically cost between $10 to $20 per year, but premium domain names can cost much more. Second, web hosting. Cost. GoDaddy offers a range of hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated servers. Prices for shared hosting start around $2.99 per month, and more advanced plans can cost upwards of $30 plus per month. Third, email hosting. Cost. GoDaddy's email hosting plans, including Business Email and Microsoft 365, are priced starting at $1.99 per month per user. Fourth, website builder. Cost. GoDaddy's website builder is available for a monthly fee, with plans starting at $9.99 per month. More advanced features like e-commerce functionality are available in higher tier plans. 5. SSL certificates. Cost. GoDaddy offers SSL certificates for $69.99 per year or higher depending on the type of security certificate you need. 6. Professional services. Cost. GoDaddy offers professional services for website design, digital marketing, and branding. These services come with additional fees which vary based on the service required. 7. Additional costs. Other services. GoDaddy provides additional services such as backups, SEO, and online marketing tools, which are priced separately. Conclusion. While GoDaddy does offer some free services, such as a basic website builder with limited functionality, the majority of its offerings, including domain registration, web hosting, and professional services, require a paid subscription. Always check their pricing page for the most current and accurate fees.